Hello crafty friends, it's Alicia of the Me Crafty YouTube channel, and thank you so much for stopping by today. I know that I've been kind of missing in action lately compared to November when I was here with videos all the time for my challenge and giveaway. I have just taken the month of December pretty much off of YouTube. I've been celebrating the holidays with my family, and my mom has been in town to join us for Christmas, so I've just been chilling. But I am back with a video for you today, and this is actually the final Sweet Treats collaboration video. Not just for the year, but the collaboration is over. So before I kind of get into all the specifics and into my project that I'll be sharing, I just want to send a special thank you to Tanya for allowing me to be a part of this collaboration. I have enjoyed it immensely, but it has also really made me have to think outside the box sometimes, and it forced me to be crafty in ways that I didn't know I could. It has been super fun. If you are not subscribed to Tanya's channel, I hope that you'll go check her out. She, as well as everybody else in the collaboration, is linked in the description box below. So what happens for this collaboration, if this is your first time hearing about it, is each month Tanya gave us a theme, and we needed to make a paper craft that included some type of sweet treat. But for December, we're going to use the Christmas theme. And I know that it is after Christmas, but I'm hoping that maybe you'll get an idea for next year if you want, for just a quick, easy gift. When I made this, I had in mind just like little gifts to give to maybe coworkers or teachers, or if you have a son or daughter in school and they might just want to give like a friend just a quick, easy, cheap gift, this is going to be it for you. I almost forgot my sweet treat to put it out here on the table. My project today won't include a sweet treat in the form of like a stamp or a die cut. It is going to include sweet treats in the form of candy. I got out a few Starbursts and I chose red to kind of go with the holiday season, and this is one of my favorite candies. I'm more of a sugary person than a chocolate candy person. Let me know below what kind of candy is your favorite. So before I get started on my project, I thought I would share with you some of the items I will be using. Of course, I have my Starbursts. I got out some red twine. I'm not sure if I'll use that in the end, but I got it just in case. The die I got out is an old Sizzix die, and it is the pillow box die. So this will just hold just a little bit of candy, but I thought it was cute and easy. I grabbed a piece of clear cardstock, which might be hard to see on camera, but I will be cutting the pillow box die from this. And then from the Craftsmith North Pole Gazette paper pad, which I believe was from last year, 2017, I pre-selected this piece of paper. I just thought the red and white stripe remind me of candy canes, so it adds just a little bit more sweet treat in there. The first thing I want to do is get my pillow box die cut and put together. To hold this together, I really think I'm going to need some strong adhesive, so I pulled out some red line tape. This, I believe, is actually the red line tape that you can find at the Dollar Tree. So how awesome is that? I will go ahead and pre-fold everything. That die that I used, it cuts out the shape and it adds score lines. It probably looks like I'm trying to fold thin air right now if you can't see the clear cardstock, but hopefully you get the idea of what I'm doing. Everything is pre-folded, so I'm going to go ahead and add some adhesive, which now that I think about it, might have been better to do before I folded it all up. Because this is so thin, I'm going to add 2 lines to the side. There's a little side tab here, so I'm going to put 2 strips of the tape on there. So what has been your favorite part of the holiday season so far? I've enjoyed having my mom in town. We're usually inspired to put down our phones a little bit more and get up out of our chairs when she's here. So we have been putting together puzzles. We've played a lot of Uno. Yesterday, she and I put together some of my paper pumpkin kits that have been sitting around, so that was great to get those out and put them to use and spend some time together. You can still see the adhesive that I've used on here, but I think that's okay. So I'm just pressing this adhesive really well. I want this to stick together, and with it being that clear cardstock or the plastic report covers, it just takes a little bit more adhesive sometimes. With the pillow box, the edges fold in. So there's my finished pillow box. Now, to spice it up a little bit, I wanted to add just a strip of the pattern paper as kind of like a belly band. And not only will it add some more color, but I'm also hoping that it will help keep the pillow box together in case this adhesive would ever release. I'm just going to figure out how wide I want my strip of paper. I think I'm going to do a 2-inch strip. So there is the finished pillow box. You could really jazz this up as much as you wanted. For today's sake, I'm going to leave it pretty simple. I'm just going to put my candies in the one end. I got the twine out originally because I wasn't sure if this would stay closed. It is staying closed pretty nicely. The flap is just coming up a little bit. So I think what I'll do is just cut some of this and tie it around there with a bow real quick. Just to hold that closed a little bit better so we don't have any starburst try to escape. And there is a super quick, cheap, economical little treat that you could give out to friends, family, co-workers, teachers, etc. during the holidays, and really for any occasion. You know, just switch up the paper and you could have a totally different theme with this. If you enjoyed my video today, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to visit everybody in the collaboration below, watch their video, leave them some love, give thumbs up. And if you entered the No Spend November challenge and giveaway that I did in November, I will be back in just a couple days to share the winners of the $50 in prizes. And thanks so much for stopping by today. I hope that you're all having a great crafty holiday season. Bye-bye.